Hello and welcome to the studio. Now in today's video I'm showing you something extremely large and it is right down here. What is it? Well, it is this. It is the Keter Folding Work Table, and yeah, it's basically as it describes. It's a table that folds down and you can do work on it. Now I don't mean like spreadsheets and Microsoft Word. It's sort of for DIY and stuff like that, and because I've got a few DIY projects coming up which I'll probably show on this channel, yeah, I thought I'd get myself one of these so I've got somewhere to work, because I don't really have anywhere. I don't really want to be cutting up wood on my expensive dining room table, so I thought it would probably be safer to have something like this that I can just unfold, do my business and put it away. So yes, so this is the Keter Pro Series foldable work table. I got it for around about £65. There is a version that's made by Mac Allister that looks almost identical, but it has a lot of lower weight capacity. So this can handle about 453 kilograms, which is nearly as much as Yo Mama. And the Mac Allister one has got a loading limit of 180 kilograms. So this is almost double as good. Now the Mac Allister one is around about the £50 mark, so I thought for an extra tenner or so, I'd rather have something that had a much higher weight capacity, because ultimately I don't know what's going to end up on this table. I might get myself one of those sorry things. I can't remember what they're called. They do that a lot. Yeah, one of those sorry things. And you know, they're quite weighty. There's a man on the front of this demonstrating that. See, look, he's got one of those sorry things that goes. Anyway, so yeah, this came from Toolstation. I ordered it yesterday. It arrived today, so that is absolutely fantastic service. And I've just realised there's a label with my address on the front of it, so I'm going to have to blur that out in post. That's annoying. Never mind. This takes less than 30 seconds to get up. I mean, at my age, anything taking less than 30 seconds to get up is just absolutely incredible. So yeah, I'm looking forward to see how this goes up. But first we've got to undo all the straps, take off the cardboard and have a little look. So let's do that. There we go. I've ripped a bit of the label off so I don't have to blur it anymore. Right, okay, so here it is in all its glory. Let's cut these off. Now it also comes with two clampy things, which is quite cool, and they actually fit into the table. So yeah, that is smart. Right, let's get it out of the cardboard. Well, there she blows. So the clampy things fit in there, and I think you can mount them that way and you can mount them that way as well. It actually looks pretty solid. Oh, hang on, look. We've got some instructions there. Maybe we should have a look at those. Okay, so, you know, it looks pretty straightforward on how to open it all up. And indeed, how to close it all down. Is it that easy in practice, though? Well, I guess we'll have to find out. Okay, so I think it's a bit of unclipping, a bit of standing up. Oh yes, look at that. And then I think this comes, oh, hang on, comes up. There we go. And then underneath here we've got the clampy guys. Now there's one declamp. Aha. These are in firmly. Good clampy action. Let me just spin the camera around so you can see some clamping action. So I think it goes in like that, and then in like that, There we go. And then similar again. Slide that along there. Get that there, push it all the way in. Boom. And then it's just a case of clamping. Love it. That is so simple and straightforward. And I guess you just pop it out and slide it back. Awesome. That is so cool. And then I guess if you wanted to clamp something through the table, you could just do it like that and bring the clamp down and hold it down. And then you could do the same on the other side. Yeah, it feels really sturdy. I mean, it does say you shouldn't stand on this, but I reckon you could probably get away with it without killing yourself. I'm really looking forward to using this in future projects because I think it'd just be super helpful. And the fact that it folds down in a really nice compact way is just an added bonus. Okay, so to dismantle it, I think you've got to pull the carrying handle towards you. And then lift these up. That's it. There we go. All folded up really nicely. Superb. Although I have forgotten to put the clamps in. So there we go, that is the Keter foldable work table and it is just fantastic. I'm really happy with my purchase. So it's going to be amazing to have something fold up this small that I can just tuck up in the shed and it won't take up any room because like it is quite a big boy once it's all up and out, but yeah, that is really good. I'm really pleased with that. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If it's been helpful to you in any way, then please do make sure you subscribe to the channel and give me a cheeky thumbs up as well. And you know, if you want to be notified when more videos go live, then just click that bell icon as well. But I don't think I've got much else to say. So for now, it's game over.